Okay, video part 2. Letitia has $60. Is that enough money for everything that she needs? Okay, well, let's take a look. She's got 4 people, and she's got 8 bottles of water, and each bottle of water is $1.50. So $1.50 each. And here she has 3, 6, 9, 12 bags of trail mix, and in the question it says those are $3.75 each. So let's make an equation. Okay, there are 4 people. Okay, and each person gets 2 bottles of water. So I'm going to multiply that by 2 bottles of water. So I'll do this in blue for the water. 2 bottles of water times $1.50 per bottle. Okay, so that's the bottle of water. So that's each person's bottle of water. I'm going to add that. I'm going to add their trail mix. Now their trail mix says that each person gets 3 bags of trail mix. So here are the 3 bags. Okay, and each one of their bags is $3.75. Okay, so I'm just going to do each section one at a time. Okay, so inside the parentheses, the water is going to cost them $3 per person. Oops, oh, we got $3. There you go. And $3.75 times 3. Well, 3 times 3, that's $9. And 75 cents times 3. Let me see. 75 cents times 3. Well, 75 plus 75 is $1.50. I know that. And one more is $2.25 plus $9.50. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. You know what? Let's use the box method. 3 times $3.75. Okay, this is like our distributive property. 3 times 3 is $9. Okay, well there's $9 there. 75 cents times 3 is $2.25. If I put those together, I end up with a total of $11.25. So I could do this in my head, I can do this in my head, and I can add these together in my head. So I'm going to add $11.25. Okay, so I've done this part, I've done this part, and I have to multiply all of that by 4. Okay, so these are the same type of brackets as parentheses. They're just a different shape so you know which group they belong to. I'm going to multiply all that by 4. So 3 plus 11.25 gives me a total of, well, 11 plus 3 is $14.25 times 4. You know, I can use this box method again because I really like it. 4 times $14.25. So the whole parts, okay, my whole dollars and my coins. So 4 times 14, well, 40 plus 16 is $56. $56, and 4 times a quarter is $1. Add those together, I end up with $57. Okay, so this is a total of $57. So does she have enough money? Yeah, it looks like it. It looks like $60 is enough money for Letitia to take all her friends hiking, buying all these extra items for them. Okay, so these are your notes. Okay, now today, once you're finished, okay, this is what I want you to do. I want you to go to the Google Classroom. Okay, so if you go to the Google Classroom and you go to your period, this is period 5, but period 5 and period 1 and 3, you guys all have the same items. This is your homework that was due today. Okay, I will post your new homework. Give me a second, I'll do it right now. Okay, so your homework is here: complete Khan Academy order of operations challenge. and distributive property with variables, and factor with distributive property. Okay, let me show you where it is on the actual Khan Academy page. Okay, so it's going to look like this. So here is your Khan Academy assignments that I recommended for you just recently: distributive property with variables, factor with distributive property, order of operations challenge, and order of operations. A lot of you guys have done this already. I recommended them for you again, just in case you needed to do some extra practice. If it's already mastered, you don't have to do it again, but it is a good skill to have and to practice. So those 4 items, go ahead and grab your computers. The cart should be there for you guys to work with. And also it also says ACE, essentially the negative 3 through 18. Okay, so if you click on this item here, it'll pop up like this, and 13 through 18 is right here. This is order of operations. Sorry, this is distributive property with a little bit of order of operations in between, but not very much. So just 3 through 18. Okay. So once you're done, go ahead and grab your computers or work on this. This starts on page 87. Okay, it's hard to see down here, but in your textbook on page 87, your textbooks are on the shelf to the right of the screen. So if you look at the screen to the right, there should be a shelf. Essentially, the negative is down there. So please be on your best behavior, work quietly while you're working on the computers. No music, because a lot of you guys spend too much time looking for music, but you can work on any of your Khan Academy, get ahead or catch up. There's lots of things that I recommended recently, enough to keep you guys working until the end of the class period. Our schedule will go as follows. Today is the 18th, so today we have 4.3 notes. Okay, I will see you on Thursday the 20th. Today we will review unit 2. Okay, this and then I won't see you again until Monday. This will be our unit 2 test for accentuate the negative. Okay, so today some notes, some practice. We'll review the next class. We might even start the next unit, which is, I think it's comparing and scaling. I'm not quite sure. I'll double check. I might get that mixed up with unit 4. So we'll review unit 2 and then we'll test. So notes today, review, and then a test will be on Monday. If you have any questions, now is the time to write them down so that way you have them ready for me next class. We'll spend a whole day reviewing. We'll play our game. I'll post your study guide this day. I'll have your study guides ready this day for you. Not yet.